Let's continue to this question. For this question is sine an angle plus cosine an angle. We have learned that the sum to product that must be sine plus or minus cosine. Yes. Oh, sorry. Sine plus or minus sine. So we know we can use this plus or minus sine beta or cosine alpha plus or minus cosine beta. We don't have the formula, the sine plus cosine, sine plus sine minus cosine. So we need to convert this one to the sine. So they have both sine terms and add them together. So how to convert this term to the sine? We use the cofunction one. That means cosine pi over 12 equals cosine pi over 2 minus pi over 12. Oh, sorry, sine. So this one equals sine pi over 2 minus pi over 12. That's 6 minus 1 is 5 pi over 12. So we convert the second term to the sine 5 pi over 12. And then this expression equals sine 13 pi over 12 plus cosine 5. No, we already converted. That means sine 5 pi over 12. So sine and sine, we use the sum to product. And this one, 2 times sine alpha plus beta, 13 pi over 12 plus 5 pi over 12. Then times cosine alpha plus beta. Oh, not alpha plus beta. That's 13 pi over 12 minus 5 pi over 12. And then 2 times sine. So 13 pi plus 5 pi, that's 18 pi. 18 pi over 12. And then divided by 2 equals 1 over 2 times 1 over 2. Do simplification. So 3 times 6 is 18. 2 times 12. 2 times 6 is 12. 3 pi over 4. 3 pi over 4 times cosine. So 13 minus 5 is 8. 8 pi over 12 multiplied by 1/2. So 8 and 12, this is 2, this is 3. That's pi over 3. Pi over 3. And what is the sine 3 pi over 4? So this is pi. So 3 pi over 4 is here in the second quadrant. That means the reference angle here as pi minus 3 pi over 4 is pi over 4. The sign in the second quadrant is positive. That means equals sine pi over 4. Cosine pi over 3, that's 1/2. Then 2 times square root 2 over 2 times 1/2. This one is square root 2 over 2. Okay, let's move on to next page, next one. Verify the identities. So I will start from the left-hand side because it's very complex. Left-hand side equals, so this is sum to product because left-hand side only have one term. So I'd like to use sum to product. That's 2 times sine 5x plus x times cosine 5x minus x. The bottom one is cosine plus cosine. That is cosine 5x plus x times cosine 5x minus x. And this term, these two terms, they are exactly the same. I can cancel out. and then 2 cancel out. So the top is sine 5x plus x is 6x. 6x over 2 is 3x. So cosine 6x over 2 is cosine 3x. That's tangent 3x. So left-hand side equals right-hand side. We proved the identity. Okay, let's move on to next one. This is the last one. Verify this one. Verify this expression to this expression. So I will start from the left-hand side because it has 1, 2, 3 terms. So this is the we can use the addition to subtraction. Oh, sorry, addition to product. That means sum to product. So sine minus sine. So first I put the 2 here, and then next one. Sorry, because it's minus, we need to have cosine in front. 9 plus 7x, 9x plus 7x times sine 9x minus 7x, and then bring down this term 2 times sine x cosine 6x. This is 2 times cosine 7 plus 9 plus 7, that's 16. 16 over 2 is 8. 8x times 7 minus, 9 minus 7, that's 2. 2 over 2, that's 1. That's sine x plus 2 times sine x cosine 6x. And this term and this one, the first term has 2 times sine x. Second term has 2 times sine x. I can pull out the 2 times sine x. 2 times sine x times cosine 8x plus cosine 6x. We can use another, again, the sum to product. 2 times sine x times 2 times, because it's cosine plus cosine, cosine 8x plus 6x times cosine 8x minus 6x equals 2 times 2. That's 4 sine x. Then times cosine. So 8 plus 6, that's 14. 14 over 2 is 7x. And then this is cosine. So 8x minus 6x is 2. 2x over 2 is x. So look at the right-hand side. It has 2 times sine 2x times cosine 7x. I'd like to move this to the end because the cosine 7x is at the end of this term. So 4 times sine x times cosine x times cosine 7x. So do you still remember that sine 2x equals 2 times sine x cosine x? That means this term equals 2 times 2 sine x cosine x times cosine 7x. So this one equals 2 times sine 2x times cosine 7x. Left-hand side equals right-hand side. So left-hand side equals right-hand side. We proved this identity. Okay, that's the end of this video. If you have any question, please let me know. Okay, have a good one.